Okay, get ready. It's May 4th, and this is your top 5. Okay, coming in at number 5 this week is an article that focuses on how to better use 8 minutes of your classroom instruction time, and it looks at YouTube. It talks about co-curricular activities. It also speaks about starting with essential questions that the students can write about, and also the use of exit tickets. Interesting. That's everything that we do at the STEM Center. So if you're looking for a better way to handle your class, please visit us at the STEM Center and check out this article about the best way to use your time on stemfacebook.com. Coming in at number 4 is an article about Saturn's auroras and how at the poles Saturn was found to be a lot hotter than scientists expected. They expected that the poles would be cold like Earth. Okay, coming in at number 3, some patients who survive COVID-19 may suffer long-lasting lung damage. This article is written by David Cox back on the 27th of April, and it just talks about among patients who have recovered from COVID-19 in China comes the first evidence that some may suffer long-term lung damage from the disease. So please go to the stemfacebook.com, check out the article. Okay, coming in at number 2 is for all you space buffs. This one's actually entitled Space Fairs Predict How Space Colonization Will Happen. It's actually about an article that's written by Maria Temming about a book called Space Fairs, and it's way out there. It verges on science fiction, but it talks about how we will travel throughout the solar system in the future, much like people go on African safaris. So please check out. This is one of those articles that'll be very entertaining for many of you, and stop by the stemfacebook.com and check it out. Okay, coming in at number 1 this particular week is an article by Allison Pierce Stevens, and the article is all about carbon and how it's been released into the atmosphere, and scientists have found a way to actually convert used carbon, things like plastic, food waste, tires, and coal, into a substance known as graphene. And you need to stop by the stemfacebook.com website and actually read this article, get as much information out of it as you can, and then go back and share this with your students within the classroom. I think you're going to find this very interesting, and we'll see you next week.